All right, everyone. It's time to switch gears for my favorite segment of the week. Welcome to Curriculum Corner. All right. This is where we go beyond the daily charts and dive into the timeless lessons from books. Because holding a real edge isn't just about reading patterns, it's about building a professional mindset. This week, we're pulling a key lessons from the book, The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hugard. And the concept we're going to go through is the pain of hope. The pain of hope, which is a powerful idea that can completely change how you look at the market. Let's dive in. I highlighted a passage, and in here I think is one of the most powerful and painful truths in all of trading. Hugard writes, "Human beings postpone making decisions that will cause pain. And it is the reason why we let losing trades run. We want the instant gratification, but we want to delay the pain. Hope dies last. As long as the losing position is open, there is hope." Let's break that down, because it is so important. He's saying that taking a loss is the moment of final, definite pain. And our brains are hardwired to do anything to avoid that. It is hardwired. It is part of it. It is something that we can't change. Well, we can change it through practice and through the right mental preparation. But it is instinctual. It is something that you need to actively suppress. Keeping a losing trade open, even as it's bleeding out, feels less painful in the moment because it allows us to live on hope. The little voice says, maybe it will come back, or I'll just sell when I get back to break even. How many times have you said that? Understand the stock you're dealing in. Understand the sector you're dealing in. That hope is a form of instant gratification for our brain. We are literally choosing the comfort of hope over the painful reality of that chart in front of us. Let's take a look at Peloton quick for a good example of this. As we can see, oh wow, that's turned around. Let's go to the all. That's the nasty downtrend that I was talking about. That nasty downtrend. Okay, so head and shoulders here, and this is what it looks like in the real world. Every single one of these brutal red candles is a point where someone was holding on and hoping. They avoided the small, manageable pain of taking a disciplined loss up here, or up here, or up here, or anywhere here. If you let it go down here, or here, what if you got in here? What if you got in here? What if you got in here and said it'll come back? They avoided small, manageable pain, and in exchange, they suffered the massive, catastrophic pain of a 90% down here. They chose to delay the pain, and it destroyed their account. The professional mindset and the lesson from Hugard is to do what hurts in the short term to protect yourself in the long term. Accept the small pain, set stop losses, so you never have to feel a catastrophic pain of hope. And that is it for my favorite segment, Curriculum Corner. Thank you.